Whose cat is this? In English you'd say, Marie's cat. But in French, you can't do that. There is no apostrophe S in French. So how do French people show who owns something? Stay with me, I'll show you in the next 6 minutes. It's simpler than you think. Today's lesson is perfect if you're an absolute beginner. We're going to learn how to say things like
Le chat de Marie. Le chien d'Anna. La mère de l'enfant.
We'll cover the vocabulary, a real dialogue, the grammar rule, and a practice drill at the end. Let's go. First, let's learn the vocabulary we'll use in today's dialogue.
L'enfant.
Notice the
Elle.
That's because
Enfant.
starts with a vowel.
Le fils.
The S is silent. It sounds like fille.
La fille.
Two meanings, daughter or girl depending on context.
Le chat.
The T is silent. Chat.
Le chien.
The nasal ending, chien.
La maison. C'est.
You'll use this all the time in French. Say.
À qui est?
Literally, to who is. This is how you ask whose in French. Pause here if you want to take a photo of these words. Now, let's learn the grammar rule that ties it all together. In English, we use apostrophe S to show possession. Marie's cat. Anna's dog. The child's mother. In French, there is no apostrophe S. Instead, you flip the word order and use the word
de.
So the structure in French is always the thing plus
De.
plus the owner.
Le chat. De. Marie.
The cat of Marie. Simple, right? Now here's one small rule to remember. When the owner's name or word starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, da becomes D, you drop the E and add an apostrophe.
De plus Marie. De Marie. De plus Anna. d'Anna. De plus Emma. d'Emma. De plus l'enfant. De l'enfant.
This is called elision. French loves smooth sounds, so whenever two vowels would crash together, one gets dropped. Just remember, consonant keep.
De.
Vowel use.
Des.
That's the whole rule. Let's hear it in a real conversation now. Lucas and Sophie are in the park. They see a child with a dog. Listen first, then we'll break it down.
À qui est ce chien?
C'est le chien d'Anna.
Et cet enfant, à qui est-il?
C'est le fils de Marie.
C'est la fille de Marie aussi?
Oui. C'est la fille de Marie.
Ah, quelle grande famille!
Did you catch all the
De.
and?
Des. Le chien d'Anna.
Anna starts with a, so.
Des. Le fils de Marie.
Marie starts with M, so.
De.
Let's practice this now. The cat plus Marie.
Le chat de Marie.
The dog plus Anna.
Le chien d'Anna.
The house plus Emma.
La maison d'Emma.
The son plus Paul.
Le fils de Paul.
The daughter plus Isabel.
La fille d'Isabelle.
5 out of 5. Excellent. You've got it. Missed one or two. No problem. Rewind to the grammar section and try again. That's what the video is here for. Let's recap what you learned today. How French possession works. Use de before consonants. Use D before vowels. How to ask ownership in French. Now your challenge for the comments. Write one French possession sentence using a name. For example,
C'est le chat de.
if this lesson helped you, please hit like. It takes 1 second and it helps this channel grow a lot.
À bientôt.